Hello and welcome to a new success stories. And today joining me is Thirukumaran Tyagarajan from Chennai. Hello Thirukumaran, welcome.
Hello, sir.
So first of all, congratulations on clearing CS Professional Module 1.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
So for anyone who's watching this, we already had another interview with Thirukumaran when he passed the previous module. This is a small glimpse from there.
I've seen their performance over there. They can able to do things in different way because I have met many other peoples, but the persons who qualified with CS have given their best in that law firm, sir. So
that is really nice to know. So that was Thirukumaran where he shared a story. For people who don't know, we'll again try to get an idea. And let me tell you, this episode is going to inspire you in a huge way, because for somebody with all the different commitments, if he can clear, definitely you also can clear company secretary exam. So before I talk, we'll ask Thirukumaran, for people who don't know, can you briefly tell where you're working? What is your work timings? First, then we will come to exam.
Sure, sir. I'm working in Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. It's a holding company. I'm working in Tangentco, Tamil Nadu Generation Distribution Corporation, which is subsidiary of TNB Limited. An assistant accounts officer funds. My office time from 10:30 to 5:15. But ERP implementation is going on, so I need to extend there till 7:30 or 8, and I need to continue on. This will be on regular basis. For day, I can't able to prepare on daily basis, so I used the weekends and the time which I can able to manage. At that time, I have studied, sir.
Great. And one more thing which we have to tell is, how far is your office from your house?
23 kilometers, sir.
So I'm sure everyone watching this, especially in, let's say, Chennai or any big city like Bangalore, Bombay. Of course, Bangalore is very bad, but still it is going to take a lot of time just for travel. So going to office early morning, coming back late night, and still passing the exam is not easy. And Thirukumaran did his coaching for module 1, and that is what he has cleared. He took the module 1 classes of CS Professional. So before that, Thirukumaran, can you please tell us a little bit about this weekend? Since you got only weekend, you're a working professional. How or what you used to do in the weekend?
During weekend, I will just make my children not to disturb me. I have gifted children, sir. They will not disturb me more. If I'm inside the room, they will not come there. They will not disturb me. So I just used it as a tool, and even looked after the notes which we have. Actually, I took module 1, like corporate governance and drafting, pleading, and convincing. That syllabus, sir. Both are covered by corporate governance are covered by you, and drafting covered by Swati Sharma, ma'am. You have covered entire syllabus of CS corporate governance, sir. Even ma'am has covered, and she have given short notes of everything. So I just used it as a tool. I have scored 57 in that, and in corporate governance I scored 46.
Okay, great. So now tell us a little bit about, since you're having children and so many commitments, so during exam, how did you manage? It's not easy. So how was the schedule that time?
Even I discussed earlier, sir, I have sent my children to my in-laws' house. Okay. They have taken care of my wife and my children, so it helped me a lot.
Okay, great.
In the same way, 10 days, my mom will be with me. She will prepare for me, so I can able to manage my studies as well as I can able to manage exams.
Excellent. For everyone watching this is the kind of support. So just for everybody's information, Thirukumaran has a huge experience. He's working for a government company. It is not easy, lot of responsibilities with family, children, and travel time. With all this, if he can do, definitely you too can clear the exams. And let me tell you one thing, even in the classes, he used to be one of the most regular when we used to do live classes for professional. He never used to miss. In fact, We may be 2 minutes late, but he used to come early. That is the kind of commitment which is required. Now, tell us a little bit about actually the exam. Since you have such a short time to prepare, those 3 hours of exam, what was your strategy?
Sir, as you have guided the exam tips, sir. Like we need to sit 180 minutes there. We need to stay on. We need to concentrate on things which we know first. After that, we need to write examinations in perfect way, and we should not scribble or we should not write something which is not relevant to the subject. So, just as you said, I have followed that, sir, and nothing more than that.
So now tell me about your office people. They may be wondering, this person is there till 8 o'clock. How did he pass the exam? What was the office seniors and colleagues? What was their reaction when you cleared?
Many used to ask, sir, how did you clear the examination? But I will just take a thanks note to some of the peoples in my life, sir. First, Tyagarajan, a deputy financial controller. I have been working under his control, where he has supported me financially, physically, and a motivating guy. And even I have friends like Janani, Padma Priya, Ramesh, Prakash. They used to support me and all other friends. But these guys are very supportive to me. They motivate me in all instances. So this give me a vibrant, positive attitude, sir. So this helped me a lot.
Really nice to know. So for everyone watching, it's here. For Thirukumaran, since he's working professional with lot of responsibilities, his family, then friends, the office colleagues, seniors, everybody has helped him and he has not let them down.
And even my top management, sir.
Top management.
Yes, sir. They have given me 10 days holiday, which is a big thing. Because we are in ERP implementation. At that time, they have given me a chance of 10 days. So that's a big thing.
It is definitely not easy. So this message mainly I want to tell for students who are full-time college students or even full-time CS students, you should not have any excuses. With all those constraints which we just discussed with Thirukumaran, I'm sure your problems are much lesser and something you can handle with a little bit of planning. So now tell us a little bit about the government sector. So once you're working in government sector, is there opportunities for company secretaries who have completed the course?
Yes, sir. In central PSUs, I have discussed with some peoples. They have informed me about the future of company secretaries in public sector units. Even central PSUs, they are recruiting more CSS. Even in state PSUs, they are making it compulsory, sir. So it will be a mandatory thing. CS should be there in PSUs. So there is a scope for it. I think it will CS peoples will have a good future in PSUs.
So definitely, since you're already working, there will be a great. We wish you the very best. Now coming back to studies, did you stick only to ICSA material or did you have private books or what was your approach?
As I told earlier, sir, study materials plus hints given by you and notes given by Swati ma'am have helped me a lot, sir.
Okay.
First study material and the notes given by the Ekcel Academy.
Yes,
that was the key.
For people who are watching this, almost every guest on Success Stories has told that study material is the best and they have cleared. So please don't look elsewhere. Yes. Even whether it is Ekcel Academy or private books, everything is there, but that is in addition.
Yes,
addition to ICSA material, which we always suggest. Now coming to the next, so you're left with just one module. So how is your confidence to face that last module?
We are in finalization of accounts, sir. In ERP, that's quite hectic now. But there is some confidence. I think I can able to clear it by taking the Ekcel Academy course, sir.
Yeah.
So we'll try to make it.
You have already cleared with such constraints. Even now, I'm sure you'll be able to do it. Just that time is the management which you have to do. So what is your message for students? Because what you don't have is time. What students have is lot of time. So what is your message to them? Like, what do you want to tell them with all the experience which you have?
Sir, need to study full syllabus, sir. Like, they should not ignore any part of it. So if they read full syllabus with the notes given by, if they are in Ekcel Academy, they can use that notes and scanners. Things what you say in mentorship, sir. If we follow it, 100% it will be it will give 100% confidence, and we can face the exam with 100% confidence, with that positive attitude. So that's more than enough, sir.
Okay, really great to know. So in the entire journey so far, you have gone through executive, then professional, you have finished module 1 and module 3, just left with module 2. So I'm sure you'll be able to clear it. So we wish you the very best for the module 2.
Yes,
and
sir.
we will meet you once again when you have cleared the complete CS. And that will be a day which I am looking forward to.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
So for everyone, please do share Thirukumaran's story. As you have seen, he's a family man with children, with office, working for the government sector, not very easy. But along with his hard work, he got support from the office, the management, the family, friends, and never let them down. Of course, he studied with a lot of hard work, but it is also the support which he has got from everywhere else. So last one thing, if there was one thing which you tell your main advantage which you got because of joining Ekcel, what is that one thing?
Schedule, sir. The timetable which you fix, it will happen, sir. There will be no cancellation, and everything will be done in a professional manner. So that's the key, sir.
Okay, great. So that was Thirukumaran. Please do share his story with everyone else. Also watch his previous interview. Previously, we have done one interview. So please do watch that interview also. And we will meet him again after completely finishing CS Professional, all the modules. That is a day which I'm definitely looking forward to. All the best to Thirukumaran. And for people watching it, please do watch our other episodes. We have a lot of students. Each one's story is different. Somebody is a mother and at home and with CS. Somebody is working and having children and commitment like Thirukumaran. There are others who did not have time to study and they did. So every kind of story is there to inspire you to study and do well in the exam. Thank you, and I will see you in the next episode of Success Stories.